Després de l'avís sonor de la...
I start the day by looking at the tasks I have marked in Notion for today, and I also have to say that I organized these tasks the day before in order to start the day focused. Marking these tasks for the next day is the last thing I do every day, and it leaves my head free and without any distractions or uncertainty. Good morning. I've been traveling for the last few days, and now I'm in Minsk visiting some family, and I will be spending here a few weeks. Even though I'm not in my daily setup, I will try to show you what it's my day like, what is a normal day as a software engineer, and what I really do. I normally try to stop working at 8 p.m. because I found that my resting and sleeping was really poor when I was working till late, and this is a rule I try to follow every single day, because if you just sleep bad for one day, next day you are not working the same, and stick to the things that works for you. I also take advantage of the first hours of the day to do some emails and to work a little bit on the paperwork of the company, because since it's quite new, I have to spend way more time than I would like to on this legal stuff. Personally, I like working on one project at a time because context switching kills my concentration, and each project is unique and has its own business cases, so depending on it, the approach can be really different. Also, depending on the project, I may spend less or more time reading documentation. For example, when it's just React, Tailwind, Next, I don't spend that much time reading documentation. The way I approach development is first to build the backend and the functionalities of the project, and then making a good UI UX experience for the user. This UX, I have been thinking about it before doing the backend code, because most of the time it's really tied up, and if you do a really cool functionality but you don't think on the UX, when you have to do it, you may need to change the functionality, and I don't like that. I can't stress enough the importance of planning before writing a single line of code. I use Figma to create the flows, but you can use whatever you want, ScaliDraw, or there's a lot of options out there. Another important thing when you're working with other developers are pull requests. Today I don't have anything to show you, but I've created a fake one so you can see more or less the experience of it. You can learn a lot by reviewing someone else's code, and you can learn a lot as well if someone reviews yours. We use GitHub, and for me the UI is one of the best I've seen out there for this purpose. Something that I don't see enough people talking about it is the time you have to take, that you must take in order to perform well as a software engineer. Every now and then I spend too much time working, and at the end of a few weeks, maybe a month, I feel totally burnt out. Quick pause on the video. I just wanted to let you know that now I'm in Mallorca finally, and I've partnered with CourseCareers, so you can take a free introduction course on software engineering and software development. And also, if you want to go a step ahead, there's a complete course where you can have a $50 off if you register on with the link down below in the description and the comments. And there you will learn everything you need to land your first job as a software engineer. You will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, also backend technologies, and also data structures and algorithms, so you can ace your interview. Thank you very much, CourseCareers, and let's get back to the video. To stay up to date with the latest tech, I spend time on especially YouTube and Twitter, or X nowadays. Some of the accounts I follow are Jacob Sachs at Code. For me was a big inspiration. Then also Marco, and also Code with Antonio, among others. Once I'm done with all the work of the day, I check again the emails in case something important arrived, and that's how I spend my days being a software engineer and a software agency owner. I hope you like it, guys, and see you in the next video.